Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Odyssey DVD player. We will start with simple checks. First, confirm the power supply and fuses are properly connected. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Next, make sure your DVD disc is spotless and inserted correctly into the slot. Finally, check your remote control batteries. Sometimes a simple battery change is all it takes to get things working again. These initial steps can often resolve many minor issues quickly. Moving on, let's tackle some common fixes. A dirty laser lens can prevent disc reading, so use a specialized cleaning disc for a thorough clean. If that doesn't work, try a system reset by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes, then reconnecting it. Also, carefully inspect the wiring connections behind the DVD unit. Loose wires are a frequent cause of intermittent problems. These steps often resolve common playback issues. Now, for more advanced diagnostics. Always test your DVD player with a known good disc to confirm the problem isn't with your media. Consult your Honda Odyssey owner's manual for any specific error codes displayed. These codes provide valuable clues. Additionally, check if a software update is available for your system, as updates can resolve bugs and improve performance. These steps help pinpoint more complex underlying issues. Finally, knowing when to seek professional help is crucial. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and your DVD player still isn't working, it's time to consult a qualified technician. Complex electrical problems or internal component failures often require specialized diagnostic tools and expertise that are best left to professionals. They can accurately diagnose and repair issues like a faulty laser assembly or circuit board problems, saving you further frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.